The latest addition to Rotwild's impressive lineup, the RR275X gravel bike, has just been unveiled, showcasing a blend of cutting-edge technology and robust appearance. Building upon the success of previous models, this bike introduces the innovative e-assist function, a relatively new technology in the world of biking. The e-assist function is a game-changer, discreetly and continuously supporting the rider's biomechanical power for propulsion. Rotwild's commitment to technical innovation, combined with a focus on sporting ambition and perfect appearance, is evident in the Rotwild, making it a symbol of the company's forward-thinking philosophy. Developed for versatility, the sporty Rotwild is equally at home on urban roads, as it is on challenging forest or gravel paths. Equipped with a powerful 250 watts TQHPR50 motor, the bike ensures a smooth and efficient ride. The motor boasts a torque of 50 Newton meters, and riders can experience short bursts of increased speed by activating the boost button on the handlebars, pushing the power output to 300 watts for 30 seconds. Illuminate your path with the Rotwild X 1000 lumen high beam light source, providing excellent visibility in various riding conditions. The bike's tire clearance of 50 mm allows for confident navigation through rough terrains. The power source for the C gravel bike is a 252 watt-hour battery, providing ample energy for your adventures. For those seeking extended rides, a 160 watt-hour range extender is available, ensuring that you can go the extra mile without worrying about running out of power. Crafted with precision, the carbon wheels of the Rotwild measure 622 mm in diameter, offering a perfect balance of strength and weight. The model is available in Pro and Ultra options, each offering different equipment configurations to cater to the diverse needs of riders. The RR275X Pro features the Shimano GRX series system, while the Ultra is equipped with the electronic SRAM Force AXS, giving riders the freedom to choose the setup that best suits their preferences and riding style. The Rotwild is available in two distinct versions, each catering to riders with different preferences and requirements. The Pro version, priced at approximately $9,600, offers a compelling package of features and performance, making it an attractive choice for those seeking a balance of value and high-quality components. For riders with a penchant for top-of-the-line technology and premium specifications, the RR275X Ultra comes into play. Priced at around $12,800, the Ultra variant is positioned as the flagship model in the lineup. Boasting electronic SRAM Force Axis components, this version is tailored for enthusiasts who demand the utmost in precision and performance from their e-gravel bike. In conclusion, the Rotwild e-gravel bike sets a new standard for electric gravel bikes, combining innovation, performance, and appearance to deliver an exceptional riding experience on a variety of terrains. Whether you're cruising through the city streets or tackling challenging off-road trails, the RR275X is ready to elevate your biking adventures. If you have any questions, I'll be waiting for them in the comments. Also subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day and good luck.